All right, in this PowerPoint lesson, we're actually going to combine two different skills. One being to insert audio, which is sound, into your presentation, and the other thing is to insert a table. All right, let's go ahead and open up a blank screen, and we can go ahead and click on this lower box and press our delete key because we're not going to need that. We're only going to be working with one slide for this because we can kind of combine things. All right, for our title, I'm going to title it Oceans of the World. Okay, now let's go back to Canvas for just a second, because after you watch this video, the very first thing you're going to need to do is download a sound file. This is a file that has the sound of the ocean, and you're going to just click on it, and like you always do, save it to a place where you can find it. That is absolutely crucial. Okay? All right, so you're going to save it to a location on your computer. And let's go ahead and come back to our PowerPoint. All right, I'm going to go to Insert. Just going to put a clip art of the ocean in here. We'll type in ocean as our search. I think I'm going to choose this one. You can choose whatever ocean picture you want for this. I'm going to make this smaller because I do need to leave some room for my table. All right, now I've got my picture, and I'm going to select it because I'm actually going to embed my sound file into this picture. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to come all the way down here to Audio, and I'm going to choose Audio from File. And that's why it's important that I go to the location where I saved it. I saved mine on my desktop. And it'll take a few seconds, but it's going to put this audio file into the picture. Now, what I want you to do is make sure that your audio file is selected because we want to change some settings on this. You'll see a little speaker. Make sure there's dots around that. I'm going to come up here to where it says Playback. And I want you to click where it says Loop until stopped. For Start, I want you to click and choose Automatic. And I want you to put a check where it says Hide During Show. I'm just going to move this up a little bit, get it out of the way. All right, now the second skill that we talked about was the table. And before we put our table in here, I am going to go ahead back to Design, and I'm going to go ahead and put a theme in here. Let's get a theme in. All right, now for our table, we're going to go back to Insert, Table, and we're going to make it a 2 by 6, which means it's going to have 2 columns, 6 rows. I'm going to move my table down here a little bit. All right, now you're going to get a handout because there's some information that you're going to put into your table. Let me just readjust some of this information here. All right, so we've finished our table. Like I said, you'll get a handout which will have this information. It's got the 5 oceans in the world along with their areas. To test this, we want to see if that sound got embedded properly. So we've got to go ahead and and run the program. Remember, we said that we wanted the sound to start automatically, so we'll see if this works. All right, and this is what we should have now. When the program runs, we've got the ocean sounds, and we've got our table also inserted. So that's pretty much it. Bye.